through the winter just like that.
Right?
How do you do it?
Well, it takes a combination of what Christian calls new birth and what nature would call a metamorphosis. But it's by freeing your mind where you can understand. Most important part of that is to get to the point where you no longer believe in good and evil.
But do you feel cold?
I feel the cold, but I accept it.
Yeah, I've seen you around. I've seen you down at the White House a lot.
I'm down there. I'm down there daily.
Yeah, okay.
At my office here.
Yeah. Cool. All right, man. Good talking to you.
All right.